video. Today we're gonna play Escape Grandma's House Obby. So Escape Grandma. There you go. And then tomorrow we'll be playing Escape Grandpa's House. This one's it. It's updated. What? Oh, phew. By Packstabber Obby. Oh, I should have cat. Stage 1, Cat Madness. Cool, this is the checkpoint. There's Grandma. This is Packstabber. Grandma has lost her mind. Let's find a way out. Okay. Here are some kittens. These are also meowsalots. What's this? Stage 2, avoid the pins. Okay. Whee! Hiya! Oh, I almost fell off there. Whee! Ooh. Hiya! Hiya! There you go. What's this? Oh no. Grandma must have known we were going to try to escape. Quick, let's find another way out. Okay. We have to go through here. Yay. Kitten wall. Or whatever it is. Bump. Yay. Stage 3, broken pipes. What's this? Ooh. These pipes are broken. Whee, whee, whee. Let's go through the vents. This way. Let's see. I'll go this way. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, dead end. Try this way now. Ooh, we made it, guys. This is the way out. Oh, there's an AFK person. Let me get it. Stage 4, Grandma's new project. Ooh. Well, at least Grandma's normal in one way. She likes to knit. Oh, cool. I guess you can't touch the green. What? Phew. I nearly died. No! I died! Oh, I was inside that AFK person. Okay. Let's go! Yo! Yo! Oh, oh, ayo! Ayo! Oh, jeez, I died! Yeah, boing, boing, boing. No! Okay, I died again. I'm gonna try going a different way. Hi, y'all. This is a risky way, bro. Oh, no! I died. I'm gonna try that way again. I went more forward with that way. What? Okay, I'm going the other way. I know I can do it. Oh, oh! Okay! That was nothing. Oh! What? I died. Oh! Oh! I'm gonna do it, guys. No! I almost did it. Come on. Let's do this. Guys, oh, I did it, guys. I did it. I want a checkpoint right now. Whew. Stage 5, Grandma's extra yarn. Cool. Don't touch the yarn. What was that? Oh, Grandma's hidden secret. Oh no! Oh, oh no! Oh no! What? Oh, I made it. This is scary. Burning positions. Stage 7. Wee. Hiya! No! I touched the lava. Okay. Hiya! 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 Oh, I almost went right here on this crack, and I fell down. I almost fell down. Messy situation. Oh, this is messy. Whoa, there's paint all over the place. Dang it! Oh! I barely touched it. My little toe touched it. No. Well, but that was my fault. Let's go. Let's go. Go. Hello. Yeah. Oh, I made it. Let's go. Oh, what's for lunch? I have no idea. Whoa, it's actually burnt. I almost touched it, guys. That was not good if I touched it. Sage 10 extra ingredients. Oh. I can't touch that. I can't. Okay, so I can only touch the spoon, basically. No! I know. Skip over the spoon. Skip over the... I touched it! My little finger touched it then. Oh, I almost touched that. Let's go. I'm here. Let's go. Stage 11, loose planks. Ooh, I remember it was this one. Yep. And this one. And this one. That's the pattern. Stage 12, unorganized yarn. Cool. Ugh. Stage 13, yarn jumps. Yay. Oh. What? What? Ooh, I made it. Boink. Stage 14, the only way out. Okay. This is the only way out, guys. So let's do it. Yeah. Guys, I almost fell. What? What's this? Oh yeah, I remember you have to climb this. I think that, ooh, cookie parkour, guys. This is cookie parkour. Guys, Grandma's gonna eat me. Grandma's newest snack. Look, she ate me. She ate me. I was on the cookie and Grandma ate me. See, I'm inside of her right now. Gross. Okay, let's go in here. Ooh. No! I almost went on it. Dun. Why y'all? I almost died, guys. I almost died. Guys, the obby's almost over, I think. Alright, we're good. Stage 16, Grandma's main course. Gross. I don't like this. This is so gross. Stage 17, pouring tubes. Ew. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hiya. Oh, I made it. I made it, guys. I made it. Stage 18, sticky situation. Oh! No! Oh, shoot. No! Oh, no! I almost made it. No! I died. Let's go. Okay. I have to be prepared on this part. No! I just found out something. You don't jump over them. You have to get on the sides. Oh, I touched it. My foot touched it. You have to get on the sides. Guys! What? No! Okay, I'm gonna jump over them. No! Come on! Let's go. No! What? The back of my foot touched it. I made it! What's this? Did we make it? Stage 19, the end. We made it! Wait. Oh, we have to get through this. Checkpoint, I'm taking it. Stage 20, party time! I'm gonna read this. Freeze, put your hands where I can see them. I swear I didn't do anything wrong. You ate me! Tell it to the judge, Grandma. Guys, tomorrow we are going to be playing this game. Think you can escape me? We'll see about that. Jump in here to escape Grandpa's house. Tomorrow we will be playing that game. Make sure to subscribe on Packstabber on YouTube. Party time, yeah! Da, 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 da. Okay, what's this? There's Dennis Packstabber. So guys, just like this guy said, go subscribe to Packstabber, even and Snowy Biscuit, which is my channel. So go subscribe to me, leave a like to my video, and go subscribe to Packstabber. And yeah, so